Video 10. How to copy the elements. In this video, I will show you how to copy elements in allplan. First, we draw more and more the garden section, which is creating a garden brick around the ground. Create the underline. Select the rectangle command on the toolbar. Enter values in two directions, X and Y. Press Escape to exit the command. Move the newly created element in the position of the overall plan. Select Move command on the toolbar. Choose a point to move to the overall plan. Move the element in two directions, X and Y. View the operations performed on the display screen. To perform the copy element, on the toolbar, select Copy. Select all elements. Select a fixed point. The dialog box below, enter the value of the number to be copied. At the same time, enter the copy value according to the mean shown. Similarly, create bricks on the overall plan. View the operations performed on the display screen. On the screen shows all the objects copied to suit the project. I invite you to watch the next video on how to hatch materials.